just got the window finally open, and just as I was getting, oh my God! We are getting lightning bolts everywhere in the backyard. Oh my God! It hasn't even downpoured yet, and I'm now alone. Carrying Feather walked off.
I'm right here. I gotta go get the weather on.
All right, dude. I don't know. Oh my God! Last time we got this bad, we thought we were gonna have a tornado.
We did. We had 4.
What?
But they died off as soon as they got to the river.
You heard it right there from Karen. Oh my God, I think it hit the backyard. Whoa, my God, okay, I'm shutting the window. Oh my God. Holy frizz. Okay, I'll be right back. This is what we're having to deal with. 50% chance of rain. We're already losing signal because we have satellite. Alright, I gotta go. Peace, guys. Remember to keep your imagination wild and stay creative. Bye.